Hi guys, it's T-Dawg here from T-DawgLabz Projects. Just started my channel. I'm going to be posting weekly. Enjoy my educational videos. Try them for yourself. Enjoy the coming up video. Like, subscribe, and share. Okay, hey guys, I'm going to show you this little neat trick you can do. It's more for the little ones, but I actually enjoyed it myself. So what you're going to need is a bottle about so big, some dish soap, a container that's big enough for the bottle to go in, and some water. So the first thing we want to do is cut the end off the bottle. So have your parents do this. I couldn't find the video to share, so I decided to do it myself. So cut through the bottle, and then we have that. You see that? Okay, so then we need one more thing. We need a sock. So you want to put the sock over top of the bottle, keep going, until it gets nice and tight like that. And then you can roll it down just a little bit to keep it on there. Okay? So it should look something like that. Cool? All right, we'll put that to the side. Then we get our water, and then you get some regular dish soap. Put enough in, and then we're gonna stir it up. It's better to use a spoon, but I don't have one. Okay, so now that we have that, we have our bottle with our sock. We need to take the top off. Okay, put that to the side. It's nice and tight. You want to dip it in, let it drain for a sec, and then blow.